All right, good morning for this Tuesday, March 19th. And let's see, the first chart we're looking at is Wynn Resorts, WYNN. We've been in this trade for quite a while, but we got stopped out yesterday morning. If you recall, we had moved our stop up to 118. Remember this, 118.46 is where we had our stop. And on Friday, the market came down to 118.50. Okay. Yesterday opened up a little higher, went down to 118.26, and then ran up and would have hit our first profit target at 120.44. Actually went up to 121 and change. Actually almost 122. 121.81. All right, but remember, we went long at 117.53, so we still made 97 cents on this trade. Okay, didn't make a whole lot, but we made money because we managed the trade correctly, right? We managed the trade correctly, and again, made 97 cents on this trade. Okay, if you recall, on yesterday, or was that Friday, we were stopped out of, actually yesterday we were stopped out of rig Transocean. Lost, if you recall, 81 cents on this trade. We were in this for quite a while and then got stopped out yesterday. And then the other trade that we are currently in is the Australian US dollar Forex currency pair. All right. Let's see, right here was the short. We sold it right there. Look at how the 50 exponential and the 200 are pretty much converging right in here. Trend is down, right? The red bars popping up between the mid to the upper band, between the two moving averages. Markets popped much higher than I had thought, but you got to have a stop in place, and that was our initial stop. Never got stopped out of the trade. If you recall, we were short at 103.57. 103.57. The market's right now at 103.76. Yesterday, let's see, today, if today were to close right in here, market's trading right in here. Right there in the bottom third of the bar right there, okay? Now, as you can see, the high is lower than yesterday's high right there, right? And so far, the low is higher than the prior bar's low. So we'll see if we create that inside pattern. If we get an inside pattern, we start to coil. If we break down through the lows, I think we'll be fine here. But again, we're protected on the upside here as well. All right, let's take a look at one more Forex currency pair, and that's the Euro US dollar, right? Now, as you can see here, most of the bars are green, right? Uptrend, right? Nice buying opportunities, right? Beautiful buying opportunities. Okay. Now, right in here, the trend officially, now this is a daily chart. This is the daily euro dollar. The trend officially has changed to the downside on the daily, right? From green to red. But what I'm seeing is, look at this, is the 200 exponential moving average. So we're back to the 200 exponential moving average. Now, granted, we've broken down through the 50 exponential on the daily, and then we're approaching the 200. Okay, so on the daily we're down, but if you flip quickly to the weekly chart, we're still up. We're up. Up, right? First pullback once we turn from red to green up in here, and we're back to the 50 exponential. Okay, so on a weekly chart, we're back to the 50 exponential, the 50 XMA, and on the daily, we're back to the 200. So actually, I'm looking at the weekly as the leader here. Okay, I'm just, again, the 50. Now I know if you take a look further back, overall from this high down to this low, I mean, it is pretty much down. But I'm going to use the daily as a springboard, as a trigger. Okay. Now listen to me here. Okay. Let me just blow this up a little bit more. This chart here. If today is an inside pattern. If today's high cannot break yesterday's high and the low can't break through the low, then I would use today's high to go long with a stop below the prior bar's low, below the 200. So I'm going to wait a little bit and see what happens today. Okay, I'd be looking to buy it tomorrow above today's high. All right. With an initial stop loss below the 200 exponential and right below yesterday's low. That's how I would trade this. So again, off of a daily chart, we're at the 200 exponential moving average, and on a weekly chart, we're at a 50 exponential. So that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. And have a profitable day. Hope that helps. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.